Keystone Pharmacy focuses on our patients. We have a number of consulting services.
Well, we look at all parts of women's health, but my specialty is hormone deficiencies or hormone imbalances. And it's helping the physician and the patient come up with the right combination of hormones and hormone doses and hormone dosage forms to treat their symptoms. When a woman comes to me for my consulting program, our first meeting is about an hour, and we go over their entire history, including their family history and their symptoms. And then we do talk about their concerns. So after the initial conversation, I take all that data and our plan of action that the woman and I have decided upon based on either their symptoms, their history, sometimes blood tests, sometimes saliva testing, and taking all that information, we come up with an initial plan of action. And that dosage is then sent to the physician as a recommendation. So all I'm asking the physician to do is look over my recommendation of, I think this woman will benefit from this and this hormone in this dosage form. And if the physician agrees with me, they sign off on that recommendation and write a prescription for it. At Keystone, we fill the prescription here, and then I meet with that woman every 6 weeks to determine how her symptoms are responding to our plan and adjust that plan every 6 weeks. It's a real individualized way of doing hormone therapy where we're working with those women one-on-one and we're doing a lot of follow-up with them. And hormones are tricky. Women perceive their symptoms totally different. There's about 25 symptoms that can be related to hormone deficiencies or hormone imbalances. And there's different severities of those symptoms. And every woman experiences it in a different way. So having the time to sit with them and decide what to use in the initial appointment, and then having the follow-ups to fine-tune what's working and what's not, is critical to finding the exact right medication combination that'll work for her. What happens when we find the right combination for women and we find a combination of hormones that works and alleviates their symptoms and gives them back their previous quality of life? They feel like they're back to where they were before they started experiencing all these issues. And I've had women tell me I'm their fairy godmother, which is a wonderful feeling that I've affected their life and their quality of life and improved their symptoms enough that they view me that way. I've had a husband come in here and ask to meet me and shake my hand because he says I've given him his wife back.
Keystone Pharmacy is absolutely committed to personalized care of their patients. That's our real goal, that's our real focus, that's what sets us apart.